2019 Africa Roundup, Jumia IPOs, China goes digital, Nigeria becomes fintech capital. 2019 brought more global attention to Africa's tech scene than perhaps any previous year. A high-profile IPO, visits by both Jacks, Ma and Dorsey, and big Chinese startup investment energized that. The last 12 months served as a grand finale to 10 years that saw triple-digit increases in startup formation and VC on the continent. Here's an overview of the 2019 market events that captured attention and capped off a decade of rapid growth in African tech. IPOs. The story of the year is the April IPO on the NYSE of Pan-African e-commerce company Jumia. This was the first listing of a VC-backed tech company operating in Africa on a major global exchange, which brought its own unpredictability. Founded in 2012, Jumia pioneered much of its infrastructure to sell goods to consumers online in Africa. With Nigeria as its base market, the rocket internet-backed company created accompanying delivery and payments services and went on to expand online verticals into 14 African countries, though it recently exited a few. Jumia now sells everything from mobile phones to diapers, and offers online services such as food delivery and classifieds. 7 years after its operational launch, Jumia's stock debut kicked off with fanfare in 2019, only to be followed by volatility. The online retailer gained investor confidence out of the gate, more than doubling its $14.95 opening share price post-IPO. That lasted until May, when Jumia's stock came under attack from short seller Andrew Left, whose firm Citron Research issued a report accusing the company of fraud. The American activist investor's case was bolstered, in part, by a debate that played out across Africa's tech ecosystem on Jumia's legitimacy as an African startup, given its, primarily, European senior management. The entire affair was further complicated by Jumia's second quarter earnings call when the company disclosed a fraud perpetrated by some of its employees and sales agents. Jumia's CEO Sasha Poinanek emphasized the matter was closed, financially marginal and not the same as Andrew Left's short sell claims. Pan-African e-tailer Jumia grows 3Q revenue, e-payments and losses. Whatever the balance, Jumia's 2019 ups and downs cast a cloud over its stock with investors. Since the company's third quarter earnings call, Jumia's NYSE share price has lingered at around $6, less than half of its original $14.95 opening, and roughly 80% lower than its high. Even with Jumia's post-IPO rocky road, the continent's leading e-commerce company still has a heap of capital and is on pace to generate more than $100 million in revenues in 2019, albeit with big losses. The company plans to reduce costs by generating more revenue from higher-margin internet services, such as payments and classifieds. For more on this story, visit the news article link.